Hi everyone, welcome to HobbyRocks. It's Tracy here, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and hopefully you'll be informed when some new videos pop up. Not that I've done that many on here, but the last one I did was a giveaway, and if you haven't already entered, I'll put a link at the end. You know when all the videos fly in? I'll put a link to it there because it's my very first ever HobbyRocks giveaway, and if you could please like and share it out because I'm really trying to grow here. So what's today about? Well, I bought some yarns recently, especially for people overseas, so they're not really for UK. So what I've been doing is making yarn bundles. Now over on my website, which is www.hobbyrocks.co.uk, there's a link just under the video for that, and that's where you'll also find voucher codes that are valid at that particular time. The one for July is ending, so I do have a new one coming for August. I'll try and remember to put that underneath it because you might watch this at the beginning of August, you know, because we're right on the cusp of the end of the month. So I'll show you the yarns that I've already uploaded. Now, majority of them were yarn bundles, except I did get some magic Aran, which is this really beautiful magic Aran. There's not a massive amount of it, and I did get quite a bit of this one, which is Wonder Knit, and it's along similar lines to that. I'm just seeing if it's got it's obviously not these colors, but it shows you that it does work up like that, and it's beautiful purples color. And I did put some of this up, but mostly a lot of this has been sold, so there's still some of it anyway. I just thought I'd let you know. So the yarn bundles I did because you might want to order a mystery box because you like certain yarns, say from Poundland or from Pound Stretcher, but you don't know that you're going to get them. So I figured if I did a yarn bundle of the ones that I know are favourites, then instead of a mystery box, maybe you'd want to get one or two of those, getting the favourite yarns. So I got these. Now these are from the Pound Stretcher ones. It's the Yarn Fair Tootsie. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful yarn. I've used it loads in my tutorials. So I got this beautiful lemon, and these are all uploaded already, and there's not masses of them. And then I got this really lovely mint green, absolutely gorgeous colours these. And this yarn, I have to say, as I say, I've used it lots and it's beautiful. So this one is the fuchsia. Love that colour, absolutely do. And then there's the Poundland ones. So right now, the ones that are uploaded, I think I've still got some of all of them. There's the light blues, which are these. So this is the Knitting Essentials yarn bundles. And then, do you remember I made the Baby Bubbles blanket and a couple of other where I used a really subtle rainbow yarn? This is that one. This is that subtle, beautiful kind of rainbow yarn. And that one's on there as well. And now, which wasn't there before, are these ones. These are the other blues. What do they call this one? Streamers, I think. But I didn't put that in the title. Just yarn bundle number, whatever. So that's the blues, the other blues. And I have some pinks, which is another gorgeous one. And there's that one. I will be doing the purples one. I don't know if you remember the purples. Now this one, there's lots of this because I know it's mega popular. So there's lots and lots of this one. This is my favourite one of all. Absolutely gorgeous yarn. Now there's lots of those ones, so don't worry if you want that. It's not just one. And lastly is this one. It's not lastly as in all there will be, because I will get more and more as time goes by. But this is the Glitz one, which always kind of looks a little bit like a rose gold because it's very pale, kind of peachy pink, and then with the glitz it has this really lovely effect, and it is beautiful soft yarn. You can't feel that glitz, it doesn't scratch. So that's the only glitzy one I've got up at the moment, but there's some of those as well. So I just wanted to get on and show you the yarns that are in the yarn bundles and the Magic Aran and Wonder Knit, although there's not much left of the Wonder Knit. So if you need to get that, then make sure you get it sooner rather than later. I don't know when I'll go back there again to get some more. But there are, I mean, that's obviously the bundles are not just 2, they're a significant bundle, but that's what I just got a couple of each to show you before I pack them away in the storage box for safekeeping. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, don't forget to enter that giveaway, and please, if you would, like and share it out. I'm really trying to not just grow this channel but grow that website's reputation, and well, just so that people know it. Oh, also, as well as those uploaded recently, was a new tea, and I did show this over on Crochet Rocks, but this one is a bedtime tea, so it's decaffeinated, and it's got vanilla and nutmeg in, and it's a bedtime one. So I've got a couple of these left. So if you haven't already, don't forget to head over to HobbyRocks and give it a check out. See what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, everyone.